This is a demo of Corona Safe network. We have created a platform to integrate all healthcare facilities within a district so that the district administration can look at the existing assets in terms of physical infrastructure as well as human resources and make informed decisions. The actual platform that we've created can be accessed through care.coronasafe.network. However, for the demo, I'm going to use a dummy platform, care.coronasafe.in. This platform can be used by three bodies or individuals. Firstly, different facilities. This could be treatment centers, hospitals, or even collection points for samples. Secondly, the district administrators can use it to supervise and see real-time data on how many beds are available in particular facility or overall in the district. And also they can know how many testings have been done, how many have come out positive or negative in real time. Thirdly, laboratories are also integrated into the system so that all the testing that happens within the district can be channeled through this platform so that there is enough data with the administrators. Now I'm going to log in as a hospital and show you how the system really works. This is a dummy hospital that we've created. This is the basic hospital data. So this is the dashboard for the hospital. You can edit hospital info here. You can add bed type information, doctor's information, and triage information. This is the dashboard of the beds of the hospital. Beds of different kinds are mentioned in different cards. Also, the total number of beds versus the beds occupied are clearly shown here. Next is the list of doctors. This can be edited and the hospital administrators are advised to keep it updated every day. These are the number of doctors available within a hospital. And this is the dashboard of patients or triage details. You can see how many patients have visited the triage and how many were advised quarantine or how many were referred to other hospitals or admitted. Every hospital is advised or instructed to create a patient cards for each patient that comes into the triage. This is the form by which the hospital can add a new patient. These are the basic information of the patient. We have different column asking if the patient is a medical worker. If he or she is a medical worker, they might get preference in testing and they might be treated differently. There are details as to whether the patient has had any contact history with a COVID patient or a COVID suspect. We have also taken in the travel history or travel details of the patient. Any pre-existing medical conditions are also asked for. This is how you create a new patient card, and all the patient cards that have been created will appear here. Now these are individual patients. Some are tagged as medical workers. Some are tagged as to have had contact with a COVID patient. The consultation details can be updated. Also, daily round details can be updated here. Every time you add a consultation detail, a new card will be saved here. This is the sample testing history of that particular individual. All the samples are tested through our system. To request for testing for a particular patient, this is where the hospital admins will have to click, and you can request for a test to be done for this particular patient. Now in the patient tab, the hospital can see all patients that are in the hospital, and also in the sample testing tab, you can see the status of all the sample testing that you have requested through the system. The greens are patients who were tested positive. Sorry, the greens are patients who have tested negative, and the reds are the patients who have tested positive previously. However, you can ask for repeated tests as well. Now, this is the basic dashboards that the hospital can see. This is the basic interface that the hospital administrators will be seeing. This is how a district administrator is going to view. I'm logged in as the district administrator. This is the basic dashboards of all facilities within your district. You can see all the patients within a particular facility, or you can access the aggregate of all patients that are there in your district through the patients tab. Also, the sample testing tab shows you the different tests that have been requested and carried out within your district. Similarly, the lab admins also have another login whereby they can see a list of all facilities, all the patients within the districts, all the tests that have come to them, and here is where the lab can update the test results as well. So this is a unified system where we manage patients, testing, as well as different hospitals. All this data is reflected in different dashboards. This is a patient dashboard showing data of all patients across all hospitals. Similarly, this is a testing dashboard. This is the hospital dashboard for all hospitals within Ernakulam. This is the total number of hospitals. This is bed types versus how many beds are already occupied. And you can also see a list of all hospitals with the number of beds available. Similarly, we have an ambulance management system built into this. The dashboard for the same can be seen here. We have integrated the ambulance management system into our Corona Safe network. This is the interface for anybody who's authorized to be at the call center. We have a helpline number by which patients can request for ambulance. This is how anybody who's the administrator at the helpline can create request for an ambulance. You can mention the radius within which you want the ambulance drivers to be notified. You can also see the real-time location of all the ambulance drivers within your district or even the state. You can request for ambulance and you can type down the pickup location, and any ambulance driver who approves the request will be taken to the location, just like how you would use Uber. The most important element in the system are the dashboards. These dashboards must be visible to the district administrators. This should be displayed in the war room, and the district administration must take any decision looking at the data available to them through these dashboards. This is a quick demo of Corona Safe network. If you have any more queries or doubts, or if you need to know more about our system, please feel free to reach out.